Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the last update for my
Rolling Bath and Body Works Project Pam.
Love to start off to say that if I sound horrible, it's because I have been sick. I just filmed another video and I actually think I sound better in that video, or in this video, than in that video. I don't know if it's because I cleared my throat or I just drank some hot stuff, but if I sound like horrible by the end of this video, it's because I am still sick. Today's the first day I actually feel like I can do stuff as she coughs. And I can hear like the phlegm in my throat. Yum. Like, she's been wanting to come out, but I think today's the day she might come out because I really feel her here. If you are a visual person, I'm so sorry for the visual I just put in your head. But today is going to be the last update. It's not the finale, it's just the last update. And the reason for this is that most likely by the time you actually see this video, I will be wrapping up the semester at school. Finals will probably be over by the time that you see this, or almost over. And I'm leaving school and I am going to be in a lot of places, San Diego, Arizona, and I have products for each of those places. So I'm not going to be bringing the products I have here to Arizona when I already have products in Arizona waiting for me. And I just can't do an update like lugging these full-size products, if that makes any sense. Also, I had to turn up the brightness because it is like rainy, gloomy outside, and I was getting darker. So I just turned up the brightness, so if it is a little bit different, I do apologize. So yes, what is gonna happen after this? Because I'm not gonna be posting the finale. It's probably not towards the end of December. And that's because I have products in different places. I might be finishing up different products. I might be working on something in Arizona that I finish in Arizona, and that's where I'm probably gonna be doing the finale. And so I want that to account for my finale numbers, but I'm not going to be actively working on like products, if that makes sense. So yes, it's not the last final video, but it is the last with the updates, and yeah, I think that makes sense, doesn't it? I should probably stop talking about it. Alright, how about we just jump into the video, or the products. So I kind of stopped using this a while back ago because, hello, it's December and I wanted to start wearing my winter candy apple. So Sunshine Days, I ended up finishing about here, so not much progress from the last update. It's kind of hard to see the line with the glare of the lights. I know, I'm sorry. But I have come a very long way from using this. Just like in general, it is so hard for me to use fine fragrance mist. However, I don't want to like finish it up quite yet. I want to enjoy this like next spring and stuff, and then officially finish it up and enjoy it like that, rather than like forcing myself to work through it and just being sick and tired of it. So thank you, Sunshine Days, for your contribute to 2019. We will see you in 2020. See how I'm like starting to sound worse? Ah, so sorry. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte got a little bit more love. So last update, I was up to this line right here, if it focuses. So that second line, and now I'm down to there. It's interesting. It's not my favorite. I mean, it has like a warm scent to it. Yeah, it has like an interesting warm scent. I'll use it a couple of times, but honestly, I've been wanting to use Winter Candy Apple, and I have been using Winter Candy Apple, but I'll still remember to like spray this every now and then. Potentially could lug this around with me, but I don't want to because I have fine fragrance mists at home waiting for me. I have a different Winter Candy Apple bottle, so yeah, I'll still use it while I'm still here. Like from when I'm recording this, I still have about 6 days to use this. Won't finish it, but some more progress. As for the lotions, Hello Beautiful. I was up to here in the last update, and now I'm down to here. I'm definitely going to be finishing this off then the next couple of days. This is like maybe 4 uses left, if that, if not 3, just because I tend to do my arms and my legs. I could have finished this, but I was leaning towards my more moisturizing one that's in this project, which we'll talk about in a second, just because I feel the air getting drier. But I was using this when like I didn't care. I just wanted to put pants on and go to bed because I tend to take showers at night. Or if I took a shower in the morning and it was too cold and I didn't want to, like, it was just this one because it literally like sets in like that and I don't have to wait for it to settle a little bit in my skin and then put like my pants on. So yeah, we'll be finishing this up for sure. And then last but not least, I have Paris Amour. I am technically considering this done because when I use it tonight, I am gonna have to cut it open, and after that, like, you can only really use it once. I've gotten as much product as I can out of this and nothing's really coming out, but I know there's still product in here from when I usually cut things out. I love this. I'm sad that the last couple of times, or like the last time I used this, I'm sick and can't really smell it. Yeah, I can't smell it. Like, I'm stopped up. I can barely breathe through my nose, let alone smell. It is really moisturizing. I'm so sad that my time with Paris Amour was short and sweet. It was like one of my first all-time favorite scents from Bath & Body Works before Winter Candy Apple and Forever Red stepped into the picture. It was the first one that I was like obsessed over. It's just really good. But yeah, she is done. So another lotion to add on to the numbers. I'm sorry that this video is going to be really short. I am having a little more trouble breathing right now, probably because I've been consistently talking for a while. This is the second video I film, and this getup probably going to be back to back. Not sorry. Hashtag finals, hashtag gotta go study, hashtag have a review session for organic chemistry. And I just need to rest up too, because the days that I had the cold the worst, I had to push myself to go to all my classes for finals, like another final, a presentation, a performance, an assignment, that were all big chunks of my grade. So I really killed myself and I really should rest up. But I also feel really guilty that I'm not filming, and I love filming, but I haven't had time, and here's my time to do it, even though I sound like a horse. Is it a horse? Horse? A horse cow? A horse pig? It's not a horse because that doesn't make sense. But yeah, we're gonna leave it at that. Stay tuned for the finale because we're gonna be talking about how many things I used up from Bath & Body Works in the year. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and oh my god, that's the end of my voice, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye.